So in this student activity view, I have my second MCT student with me. So to practice Fusion 360 drawings. So here is a diagram which we have today. So we shall do this one. So this is a mechanical part which we are going to develop in Fusion 360. So first what we have to do? Okay, yes, that's exactly right. So we have to select the plane in which we are going to draw. Okay, so for that we have to go with the sketch. So the bottommost plane is we have to draw. Okay, so select the bottommost plane. Okay, so we got, so this view is nothing but the 2D view. Okay, so here we have to draw a rectangle initially. Okay, so what is the dimension of the rectangle?
100.
Yeah, 100, and here 160. Okay, so yes. So we have three types of rectangles in Fusion 360. One is a 2-point rectangle, 3-point rectangle, and the center rectangle. So it is always better to go with the center rectangle, because if we start from the origin in the initial stage of practice, if we start from the origin, it's like easily you can draw and give the dimensions. But after drawing one rectangle, inside that if you want to draw a rectangle, another one, small one means better to go with 2-point rectangle. Okay, so main rectangle should always be drawn with center rectangle option. Inside, if there is any shape, rectangle shape, then you go with 2-point rectangle. Okay, so now we shall start. So the dimension is 100 and 160. Yes, okay, and we are giving enter. So is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we have to click on the finish dash. Yes. Okay. So what would be the next step?
We have to develop it in 3D.
Yes. So this sketch should be developed into a 3D one. So for that we have to extrude the solid model. So here we have the option called extrude. So if the arrow mark is in the upward direction means it will be
Upwards.
yes, it will be extruded in the upward direction. So the size is around 24. The complete extrusion is 24.
But
Okay.
it has two.
It has two parts actually. So initially we shall draw the complete extrusion. 24 we shall draw, and then we shall cut the small part. 12 we shall cut that. Okay. So 24. So this is a rectangle, solid rectangle. Okay. So then in this part we have to do the yes, cut option. So for that I need this space exactly. Okay. So for that I have to select sketch, create sketch, select this plane. Okay. So now I got this option here. So this is the place where I am going to work now. Okay. So in this place again I have to draw one rectangle. Okay. This is a rectangle. The rectangle size is around 52. Okay, 52 and 10. So let me draw a center rectangle and we shall extrude that or we shall cut that. So here, rectangle, center rectangle, draw a rectangle, and the dimension is 52 and that is 10. Okay, so we have drawn a rectangle. Okay, so now we shall click on finish sketch, and then we have to extrude. Extrude means, extrude can also be done in two ways. One is for expanding the component and another one is for cutting also. So that option is there here. If you go with the new body, then it's like a protrude, it will be protruded. If you click on cut option, then it will be cut. Okay, so yes, okay. Yes. Okay. So we made a cut. So the cut is performed. So now again we have to work on this place. Okay. We have a small cut here. We have a small cut here. So that we have to perform as a next step. So create sketch, this face, okay. So here we shall draw a rectangle, create rectangle, 2-point rectangle. So start from here, draw a rectangle. Yes, actually according to this place, we have a cut in this place. Okay, so if I select the center rectangle, it will come into the middle. Okay, so the only option for me to do this is the corner rectangle. Corner rectangle I can draw only using 2-point rectangle only. Okay, so I draw 12 and 12. Okay, enter. Yes. Okay. Finish sketch. Yes. We have to do extrude. Yeah. Change the direction.
How to connect on the extend
So, okay. So if I want to do the same thing in the other side, I can do the same option. Like I have to draw a rectangle in the right side, then I have to do the cut option. Okay. Mirror command is also there. If we want to do mirror option also, we can do mirror, but that we have to do in 2D, not in 3D. Okay. I hope you would have learned from the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.